Welcome to SJMATHTUBE. So today we are going to solve this algebra question. So many students messaged me about this question. So let's try it out together. So I hope you have pen and paper with you. Okay. So the trick in these kind of questions is to change these numbers which are not prime to prime factors. So basically 9 can be written as 3 times 3, and we know that okay, both 3's are prime factors, so we can write 9 as 3 squared to the power of x minus 5, and then 4 can be written as 2 times 2, which is basically again prime factor, so 2 squared and x minus 8. Now how to write 144? We have to use our prime factor tree. So here we have 144 can be written as 12 times 12, but 12 is not a prime number, so we can change it into 2 and 6. 2 is a prime number, 6 can be changed to 2 and 3. So the same goes with this 12 as well. 2, 6, 2 and 3. So basically 144 has how many 2's in it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4 times how many 3's in it? 1 and 2, 3 squared. I hope it's clear. So what did we do? We have changed this 9 into 3 squared and 4 into 2 squared, and then 144 can be changed to 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared. Now what we have to do is we can open this brackets and simplify a little bit. 3 to the power 2x minus 10 over 2 to the power 2x minus 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared. Now what we can do? Yeah, oh no, the 2 is in the denominator. We have to change it to the numerator. In indices or in exponents, we have learned this, that if you want to take something from the denominator to the numerator, we have to change their sign in the power, right? So I need to bring this 2 to the numerator. So what can I do? 2x minus 10 to the power 2 to the power 2x minus 16 can be written as minus 2x plus 16. See, I changed the sign in the power. So now it's in the numerator is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared. Now we are almost near our answer. So here what we have to do is we can compare the exponents, because the base is same. We can compare their powers. So we can see that minus 2x plus 16 is same as, should be equal to 4, or 2x minus 10 should be equal to 2. We can use any one of this relation. Basically both relations will give you the same answer. Let's take both and check it, right? So 2x minus 10 should be equal to 2. So how can we solve this? Yeah, we have to get rid of this negative 10. So we add 10 on both sides and you'll end up with 2x equals 12. How to get rid of this 2? We'll divide 2 on both sides. So we'll end up with x equals 6. The same thing. Let's compare this and let's check whether we are getting the same answer. We should get the same answer though. So how to get rid of the 16? Yeah, we'll subtract 16 on both sides and you'll end up with minus 2x equals minus 12, and x will be equal to 6. I hope you like this video. So the answer for this question will be x equals 6. Please share with your friends and support this video, and share SJMATHTUBE. And also if you need any help in math, please contact us, and if you need any help with any particular question, you can message us as well. You can comment below. So that's it for today. Bye.